Today is August 31st, and I'm here to bring you the latest China highlights. Firstly, Baidu's Wenxin, after being announced as open to the public last night, quickly soared to the top spot on the Apple Store free apps rankings. It became the first native Chinese AI app to reach the #1 position on the App Store. Then, moving on to the second piece of news. When it comes to tracking China's economy, PMI is one of the most crucial indicators. PMI is divided into two sectors, manufacturing and non-manufacturing. As the world's factory, China's manufacturing PMI holds greater significance. In August, China's overall output remained in the expansion range, with manufacturing improving further from July, while the non-manufacturing sector maintained its growth. It shows that the overall production and operation activities of enterprises in China has been stable and expanding. If you're interested in staying updated on more China news and stock market updates, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to receive our latest information. That's all for today. Bye!